Hello, welcome to the third installment of your basic teacher website on Weebly. Today, we're going to look at pages. If you look at the top, you see that we are on build. And we built this basic hand in your homework every Tuesday because learning is required teacher welcome page. I'm certain you can do much better. If you look over just to the right of the Build tab, you see Pages. Let's click it, and you will see that you already have two more pages, About and Contact. If you click on About, it's a blank page. If you click on Contact, it's a blank page. Now you can delete these pages, you can use them, you could rename them. Maybe this is our homework page. There we go. Contact page, you can put your contact information on that. Anything you want to do, you can do. Now, what are headers? That's the background. And you can change it. You can do this on any page. I was not using headers, but you can turn them on or off. You can change the visibility. Your pages will look as good as you want them to, depending on how much time you have to spend and what your ideas are. So come up with the ideas. Come up with, what do I want on my teacher website? You can add any kind of pages that you would like to add. Let's go back here off of home. Okay, we have home, homework, contact. You can reorder them. If you wanted homework to be a sub-page of the home page, you can see homework is now a sub-page over here of the home page. You can do that as many tiers as you want. And by the way, just because these are up here doesn't mean that's where they have to be. Other themes have all your pages listed on the left. There are different ways to do it, different themes. It's very modular. You can change anything you want. So put your contact information on this page. Here's your home page, and they can go to the homework page. You can set that up for them to put their homework on that page for you. There's a number of things you can do. Now, add a page. Standard page, blog page. We'll be looking at that. Category page, showcase products, that type of thing. Product page. External page, link to an external website. Add a navigation item that shows sub-pages in a drop-down. As I said, whatever you want to do, you can set it up however you'd like to do it. If you just want to add a page, you click standard page, you call it something, parents page. Again, header on or off. We can leave this one on. Done. Now we have a parents page. Here's home, which has a sub-page of homework, which we haven't fixed up yet. Your contact information. Your parents page. The parents will come here and say, oh, I'm hungry. You can tell them whatever you want. You can put a message in. Whatever you'd like to do right here. You can decide what you want to put in, how you want to put it in, and have a good time. Experiment. Go crazy a little bit. Decide what you want to do. And I will see you later so we can blog. Have a good day.